Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will tell you how we can earn money from Fiverr.com without any skill. Now I'm going to show you many people are earning from Fiverr without any skill. You can see. Just search here business leads. You can see that these people are earning without any skill. They just use some tools, and today I will tell you about all. First of all, you have to make the Fiverr profile and attach a gig also. You can also copy the details of Fiverr experts for your profile. Now you have to download some tools to make your work easier. Just visit this site touchsoftwares.com. Here you can get many tools about these business needs. It is software, not software. Just click enter. From here, you have to download this software. You have to download this software tool which is used to extract details about any business from any city. For example, emails, map links, phone number, address, etc. After download and installation, open it. I have already installed it, so I will open it. First of all, I will tell you about its usage. You have to put keyword about the business here. This is the keyword hotel. Now you have to put city name in this box. By marking these options, you can get emails and other contact info about this business. Now you have to click start. This is the only tool on internet which can extract business emails also. It is starting. These are emails, phone number, websites. group classification, 2 stars, 3 star, 4 star, etc. Ratings, and many more. You can save the results from this option. When you got all the results, you can click stop. It will stop searching. You can save the data by selecting this option, any one of them. I hope you like this video. Please keep watching our more videos. Thanks for watching.